There is one thing controlling your success: your relationships, your future, and most people never fix it. It's not luck. It's not discipline. It's not even talent. It's what you believe you deserve, because you will never rise higher than your self-esteem. And today, we fix that. You can watch 1,000 motivational videos, feel inspired for an hour, and then slip back into old patterns. But here, you're taking the first real step toward the life you want. Everything that happens to you is a reflection of what you believe about yourself. We cannot outperform our level of self-esteem. Think about that. If deep down you believe you're not smart enough, not good enough, not worthy enough, your mind will silently sabotage every decision you make. But here's the shocking truth: self-esteem is not fixed. It's learnable, trainable, buildable, just like a muscle. And the moment you choose to rewrite your beliefs, your entire life starts to shift. Self-doubt doesn't appear randomly. It starts in childhood. A teacher's harsh comment, a parent comparing you to someone else, a moment you felt embarrassed or not enough. These tiny cuts become powerful beliefs. But here's the good news: if a belief was learned, it can be unlearned. Today, you take back control. What you think about repeatedly becomes your reality. If you think you're not enough, your actions shrink to match that belief. But if you think like the confident, successful version of you, your actions will rise to that level too. Self-esteem grows from the inside out. Change the thought, and the identity follows. Is this the law of attraction? In a way, yes. But let's make it practical and real. If imagining a confident version of yourself feels difficult, start here. Your values. What do you stand for? What matters to you? What kind of person do you want to be remembered as? When your choices match your values, your confidence skyrockets. Because confidence is not just positive thinking, it's living in alignment with who you want to be. The comfort zone is the silent killer of success. It feels safe, predictable, easy, but it keeps you small. Growth is uncomfortable by design. Every time you choose the harder path, you expand your identity. You prove to yourself that you can do more. Comfort creates stagnation. Challenge creates confidence. So today, choose one step, one action, one moment of courage, because this is the beginning of a new version of you. A version with confidence, clarity, and unshakable belief. Your journey to greatness starts now.